Hello guys, this is a construction site where two buildings are being erected. So we are going to visit one of them and then we are going to learn some vocabulary related to apartment construction and tiling. Let's go, follow me. Okay, so this is an apartment where tiles are being laid. So let's check it out. So here we have some tools that are used by tilers. So here we have, this is a grinder. This is a grinder. And this is a level. This is a spirit level that tilers use to make sure that the floor is level. And then here, this is a plumb bob, just an alternative to the plumb bob. So a string is attached to this piece. This is used to check the uprightness or the verticality of a wall. Okay, so a plumb bob. I wish I could show you the other piece. But this is what we have. Okay, so let's get further in, and we have some shovels here. Oh, by the way, this is, I think we all know what this is. This is a hammer, and this here, this big piece is used to cut tiles, and this is called a manual tile cutter. So this is a manual tile cutter. So they will put tiles here and then operate this tool to make a cut according to the measurements that they have. And this is a tape measure that they use to measure the length and breadth. So this is a tape measure. What else do we have? And this is called a mallet. So there is some rubber padding here that they use to push down on a tile to make sure that it reaches the desired level. And the material that they use just beneath the tiles is called mortar, which is a mixture of cement, sand, and water. So this is what we call mortar in English, a mixture of sand, water, and cement. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, so we have some kitchen sinks here that are awaiting installation. They're kept upside down. And then here paint is being applied. First a coat of sealer and then a coat of paint. Okay, so there's something that I forgot to show you guys. This is called a trowel in English, and this is a sponge. Okay. All right. So as you can see, this floor has already been tiled, and I wanted to show this portion of the tile. This is called skirting, and these are tiles that are 24 by 24. So this is a cut tile. It has been cut, and this has been used on the countertop of this kitchen. So this tile has been used here on the countertop. Okay, so this is a more finished apartment where the tiles, most of the tiles have already been laid. Okay, and so here these are called electric boxes. So this is a 3-gang electric box. It's called 3-gang because there are 3 compartments, and this is called an electric panel. This contains the circuit breakers for all the circuits in an apartment. Okay, so we have some more electric boxes here. So there will be power sockets will be installed here further on. So here we have what is called a void, a false separation between 2 parts of a building. So this acts as a false separation. This allows for more ventilation. Here this is called a grill, and here up above we have what is known as a drop wall. Okay, so it drops down from the ceiling. Let's visit the kitchen. So as you can see, some work still remains to be done, but the kitchen sink has already been installed, and this is called the countertop, and this is called a beam. Okay, so we have one more electric box here. This will be used to power the kitchen hood or the kitchen chimney, a device that is used to suck all the fume from the kitchen out of the kitchen. Oh, and this is a concrete slab, reinforced concrete. This is used for storage, obviously. Okay, so this is a bathroom, and it has already been tiled, as you can see. And what's noticeable about the tiling of a bathroom floor is that it has a certain slope. Okay, the slope is, I think, more or less noticeable. The slope is to help the water, drain away easily through the waste pipe. Okay. So that's it.